welcome back. So what I want to talk to you guys today is about my Causebox. This box is huge this time, guys. I really love Causebox. It's one of my favorite subscription services. I'm actually an annual subscriber for them, so I really love this box. It is great. It is amazing. It brings amazing products, has an amazing idea behind it, so I just love this box. All right, guys, so let's get right into it so I can show you guys what I got. So this is the winter box for 2021, and they give you this little pamphlet with a letter from the editor-in-chief as usual, and then your products come out here. And you're able to pick a bunch of the products when you're an annual subscriber, which is one of the things that I really love about them. So let's start. The first product that you could pick was either between a Thread and Supply Cozy Cloud Wrap or a Rose and Fitzgerald Brushed Gold Kettle. So those are the products there. Now I know for a fact that I picked the Cloud Wrap because I don't really use kettles. So I knew I was gonna use the Cloud Wrap more. I'm gonna put this box on my bed because this is just, I can't. Okay, so this is it right here. Oh my gosh. This already seems so soft and nice. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, so this is it right here. This is like a little cardigan. And it has two colors and nice little pocket in the front. And I'm gonna put it on like I usually do. Oh my God. Okay, guys, this is it right here. And then you have like the pockets. This literally feels like those, look at the tag. This literally feels like those fuzzy socks on your body. Oh my God, this is so soft and wonderful. I'm so happy I picked this. I can't even explain it. So this is a $115 value. Kind of crazy, kind of steep and crazy. Okay, for a cardigan, but it is amazing. It feels amazing, and you can tell that you're not gonna feel hot in it. Like, because I live in Miami. But you can tell that you're not going to feel hot in this. Like, it just cozies you up. It feels so good. So I'm excited. And since Miami has been gifting us wonderful weather these past couple of days, I can't wait. Now, item number 2 was either between activated eco reusable silicone baking sheets or Boone Supply reusable zip pouches. So that's that right there. I'm pretty sure I picked the baking sheets. So I picked the baking sheets. I don't really like reusable Ziplocs, so I'm not into that. And I didn't have baking sheets, and I've been wanting to have baking sheets, so I decided to get these. This is a value of $18. Let's open it up. So yeah, this is exciting. I like these. This is gonna be nice for baking. So we've got this nice green color, and then we have like a bluish gray color. Like a baby bluish kind of gray. So I'm very excited to use these for when I do cookies and other things with my kids. I'm very excited about that. So I'm glad I picked that. All right, item number 3. This you weren't allowed to pick. This is a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. That's the product right there. So this is it right here. I'm not like a huge toner girl, but everybody says it's good for your skin. So I don't know, like this is made in Italy. It says it's not your traditional toner. We have designed this toner to cleanse and purify the skin. Formulated with natural extracts of truffle, calendula, rose, and rosemary, among many others, we have created a blend to deeply purify the skin while contributing with antiseptic powers to remove dead skin and bacteria and prevent future breakouts while boosting the skin with extra antioxidants. A toner is an essential part of your beauty routine for healthy, youthful looking skin. After cleansing, moisten a cotton pad with Truffle Therapy Face Toner and apply to face, and then follow with the therapy serum and then the therapy cream. So I am gonna use this. I definitely want to see if I end up falling in love with a toner at some point in my life. This is a $30 value. So then item number 4 was between 3 items. You could get the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, the Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoops, or the Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters. I want to say that I went for the body polish. Those are the 3 items right there. We shall see. I went for the coasters. I don't remember having gone for the coasters. I could have sworn, because I have coasters. I could have sworn that I went for the body polish because I love body polish. But okay, so these are the coasters right here. Coasters are always nice. And the coasters are valued at $42. Very pretty. Very nicely packaged as well. Everything's very protected. I'm going to show you one very nice, beautiful coaster. And it has its little things in the back. Very, very nice. All right. Next, item number 5 was between Maggie's Organic Heather Slouchy Socks or Attitude Travel Beauty Pillowcase. I don't remember what I went for. Oh, so I went for the travel pillowcase. I do have a lot of socks. This is $25, and I thought this was nice because you know how when you go to a hotel and you don't necessarily want to lay your face on the pillowcases there. So I thought these were nice. That's why I grabbed them. So they're like this kind of grayish color. These are retailed at $25. And I think, does it bring 1 or 2? I think it only brings 1, which is kind of like a bummer because I think I thought that it brought more than 1. And it would have been nice for me and my husband to have the pillowcase, but that's all right. All right, guys, next product is either the yearly planner or the peony foot mask. And I definitely went for the yearly planner. The yearly planner is absolutely gorgeous. Now, this is what it looks like. I got a planner for Christmas. So now I'm on the fence to see which one I like more. Because this one is so pretty. And I feel, I don't know which one I'm gonna like more. Oh my gosh. Listen. I literally went from never using a planner to using a planner to now having 2 planners and not knowing which one to pick. So this is like kind of crazy. Yeah, I don't know what I want to do because I like both of them. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so this is the planner. It's retailed at $32. It's beautiful. I like how it is inside as well. Let me show you, like, this is the calendar. I do prefer a little, well, no, the calendar's perfect because I can write all my notes in there. So I definitely like that. And then on the daily things, it looks like this. So it's very, very nice. So that's a decision I have to make now. A very difficult decision. All right, guys. And then the last item was apparently chosen by them, and I'm not sure what this is, but we will find out right now. It doesn't have it on the little pamphlet thing. It's something with light. I don't really know. Let's see. We shall find out. This is from Lutech, and it says, "Did we light up your life?" Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. This is weird. Something with lighting, but I don't really know what it is. These are some lights. You can like mount them and stuff. So some lights. I got some lights. This is good though. Yeah, so this is kind of like how they should look. You see this little thing right there? This is awesome. And yeah, I don't remember them mentioning that at all. So I don't know if that's something extra or if it was actually part of the box. So yeah, guys, great Causebox for the winter. I'm super excited. I'm so happy. I always love this box. Like it's so weird that I don't like a Causebox. It's just great. It's not like, for example, I always have an issue with like FabFitFun because there's times where I don't like anything in FabFitFun. That's why I have never been able to like stick to that subscription service. I don't know what it is about it. It's just not, I don't really like it. But with Causebox, I never have that issue. I love every single box. I love the idea behind it. I love everything about it. So it's definitely a box that's worth it. I'm an annual subscriber and I'm gonna renew my subscription now, I think now, either the spring or now in the winter. And I'm definitely gonna renew it because I love it. Like everything, like I've loved every single thing that I got in this box right now, like literally. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think of this box. Let me know if you guys like it. If you're interested, I'll have the link down below if you want to subscribe to them. They're great. I love it. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.